Do you want to know how you can turn off the toast notifications on Onlyfans? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn off all toast notifications off in Onlyfans. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and click on More. Now go to Settings. Click on Settings and click on Notifications. Click on Toast Notifications and you can turn these off. After you turn these off, you will no longer get these type of toast notifications on your email or your phone. So let me teach it to you once again. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and click on More. Now go to Settings and click Notifications. Go to Toast Notifications and you can untick it, and then you will not get any kind of toast notifications anymore. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.